How to replace the wireless LAN antenna. Before you begin, remove the side panel, the front bezel, and the hard drive cage. Removal. Disconnect the wireless LAN antenna cable from the wireless LAN board by grasping the connector with a small pair of needle-nose pliers or tweezers. Caution: use care when disconnecting the wireless LAN antenna cable from the wireless LAN board. A damaged cable or connector can degrade desktop performance. Remove the antenna cable from the routing channel inside the chassis, and then feed it through the access hole on the chassis. Remove the antenna cable from the cable guides on the chassis. Remove the T15 Torx-head screw that secures the antenna bracket to the chassis. Gently prise the antenna bracket off of the chassis and remove the antenna. Replacement. Align the tab on the antenna bracket with the slot in the front of the chassis and push the bracket down firmly. Replace the T15 Torx-head screw that secures the antenna bracket to the chassis. Route the antenna cable along the routing channel on the chassis and feed it through the access hole. Route the antenna cable along the routing channel in the chassis to the wireless LAN board. Reconnect the wireless LAN antenna cable to its port on the wireless LAN board.